Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to make the Jamaican black rum fruit cake. It's delicious and the steps are easy. And I want to take the time out also to thank all my subscribers for the support. And happy holidays to you guys. So let's head straight to the kitchen now. Here is a walkthrough of our ingredients. Here we have brownie, red wine and rum, butter, sugar, lime juice, zest of a lime, rose water and almond, vanilla. Here we have nutmeg, allspice and cinnamon powder, salt and baking powder, flour, and the star of the show, our blended fruits, eggs. So let's get straight to the procedure, guys. Step is to cream the butter and the sugar, and after creaming then we're going to add the eggs one at a time. And I also remove the eyes of the eggs to reduce the rawness of the eggs. Watch the steps, guys. I'm going to add the lime juice and the zest and keep on mixing. Now I'm going to add the red wine and the rum and keep on mixing for a couple seconds. Then I'm going to add the vanilla, almond essence and rose water. I'm going to add my brownie. Then I'm going to switch to my spatula and fold in the blended fruits. All the dry ingredients in a sieve, and we're going to sieve it over the mixture in 2 portions and fold to combine. I'm going to grease my baking pan and line with wax paper. Then I'm going to pour my mixture in, place in my preheated oven and allow to bake for 90 minutes the most. You check after 1 hour, check if it's complete, guys. Here is my cake fresh from the oven. Here I have it on a cooling rack. I'm going to allow it to cool down a little. Then I'm going to pierce it with a skewer. Then I'm going to drench it with red wine and rum and tightly sealed with plastic wrap and leave it for a day the least before cutting. And you will see the final product, guys. There you have it, guys, the final product. And this is 2 days after I drench it the second day. And I'm telling you guys, the smell is out of this world. And another thing, guys, please put the notification bell on because I have some more Christmas goodies idea coming up which you don't want to miss. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys, happy holidays. Bye.